Hello lovelies, this is another Lords video. We'll be focusing on Guildfest. In Guildfest you need to do quests in order to rank up for your guild. So it's where you do different tasks. So how to get there is you press on the Hell event, which is also the solo one that looks like a sword, and then you go into Guildfest from there, because you'll be met with this screen. So you click on Guildfest and then you will see this appear, and these are the quests that you can do. You have 7 attempts. If you are a lower ranking castle, try the simplest tasks that you think you'll be able to do, but don't underestimate yourself, don't overestimate yourself, because I know when I was kind of in the middle of Lords, there was a couple times I thought, oh, I can do this one, oh, I can do this one, but then you're like, shit, actually I really can't do this one, and I've just ruined like 3 of my chances, 3 of my attempts. So don't just kind of go, oh yeah, this one looks good, and then just like click it without really paying attention to how much you're capable of doing and what you can do. So I know that I'm capable of doing this gathering one, especially because I already have some troops out together, so I'm like, well, that's fine, that's perfect. So this is a wood gathering quest, and that's where I already had some troops sent out. So I'm just like, well, that's good, because I needed to gather some wood anyway, so it's kind of a win-win situation. So basically just be smart about the things you choose. If you're not 100% sure if you're capable of being able to do a certain quest, there are plenty of people in your hive, in your guild, that probably doesn't have a problem with helping you. And even if you feel like it's kind of like stupid questions that you want to ask, don't be afraid. I guess that's kind of like a lot in life to do. Like even in school, I did not want to ask questions that I think, or that I thought everyone would laugh at me for. Like, we're a guild, you know, they're not gonna just, yeah, be weird about it. They're gonna want to help you, because we're all in it together, winning things for the guild. I completed my wood quest, and now I'm finding something else that I can do. Although I will admit, even though I said before that you should do things you definitely know you're gonna do, this was something that I wasn't 100% sure if I had the speed ups or not. I did, my partner brought me a couple packs, so that was really helpful. Otherwise I wouldn't have been able to do this, but after that I was pretty confident that I'd be able to do it. And then I brought some, and I just kind of figured it out. I made sure that I was gonna get it done, but that was definitely a quest that I didn't 100% plan for, because I didn't have a lot of speed ups, but I did assess myself a little bit before I just jumped into it. But it was a little bit of a risk, and it's fine to take little risks. Just don't straight away jump in, you know, like instead of like, oh yeah. So stress yourself a little bit at least, and you know, it's fine to challenge yourself. Just make sure you're determined enough to get the job done. So there I was. I pulled out all the stops to kind of get the speed ups done. So after I put that in, I didn't really want another gathering quest, but I just tried to kind of do the harder ones so that we could get the points. So I ended up doing just a general gathering where it was any resources. So, and that's what I'm currently doing right now. I kind of wanted to get this video done before this current Guild Fest is over, just in case anyone is wanting to push themselves further and didn't fully know kind of what they're doing, I guess. So, I mean, you know, hopefully this has been helpful to you. So yeah, I'm just currently gathering resources for my Guild Fest quest. And yeah, so really this is just a game that, you know, try not to take it like 100% seriously. I know it's easy to do that. It's easy to really kind of, I don't know, take it super seriously. And like, yes, there's a big lot of seriousness that you need to take with this game because it is a pretty full-on game. I mean, but at the same time, it isn't fully, you know, it's a good game. What am I talking about? I don't even know. It's like 1 a.m. and I'm just doing this voiceover and I'm just laying down and I'm like pretty sure I'm getting sick. So I just do not know what the heck I am talking about anymore. So I've got to stop making weird noises. You really don't mean to when you're recording this stuff. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I may be a bit mental, but I promise I have some idea of what I'm talking about. Just right now, I'm just rambling on, and this really needs to end, and I'm just still rambling on. It is stop.